วัสดีค่ะบาร์บี้อาร์ตชาแนลอาร์ตเดลิเวอรี่สตูดิโอนะคะวันนี้พี่บาร์บี้พาน้องมาพาลูกสาวมาหาคุณหมอไม่ได้เป็นคุณหมอเป็นมิดไวท์หรือเปล่าน่าจะเป็นมิดไวท์คือเรื่องเกี่ยวกับการฟังของลูกมีปัญหาคุณครูเขาคอนเซิร์นมาเราก็เลยต้องมาหาที่เขาเป็นสเปเชียลนะคะให้เขาตรวจเช็คหูให้กับลูกสาวนะคะเผื่ออันนี้พี่บอบบี้ทำวิดีโอเผื่อใครยังไม่รู้หรือว่ามีข้อสงสัยอะไรนะคะก็สามารถไปหา GP หรือ Family Doctor ของคุณได้แล้วก็ให้เขาส่งตัวมาให้ตามสเปเชียลต่างๆนะคะเขาก็จะตรวจเช็คให้เราว่าลูกเรามีปัญหาอะไรหรือเปล่านะคะเดี๋ยวเราเข้าไปดูกันค่ะว่าเขามีการเทสยังไงทำไมเขาถึงจะรู้ได้ยังไงว่าเด็กมีปัญหาตรงไหนยังไงนะคะเดี๋ยวเข้าไปดูกันค่ะ
Alright, so we're going to practice before we put the headphones on so you can do it. Okay, ready? Good girl. See, did it stop? Okay. Very good. She's very quick. Oh, such a quick. Right, we can do it with the headphones now.
Headphones,
Yeah.
Careful
Yeah. So we'll put the string back around the back. Do you want to push your chair in a little bit so you're a bit closer? That's it, good girl. Who did your hair like that? It looks really good. Oh, your mum's really good. I could never do that. That's so special, isn't it? Okay, right. We're going to start. Good girl.
Done.
Yeah, so now you have to put them on top, don't you?
Don't.
Called a tympanometer. So the other one's an audiometer. This is a tympanometer. So
Check the drum right
13.
Oh I see because
Yeah,
time
that's
she
the
get
printer.
very deep
That's a very old
Yeah.
printer, isn't it? Okay, so we start with the right ear like we did with the hearing test. Okay. All right. And we have to put it, I'll just show you how it feels on your hand. How about your nose? Or your cheek? Yeah, so we just put it on your ear and it will test the pressure in your ear here. And you'll hear a beep beep.
Loud.
Sorry, it is a bit loud. I had the other ones quieter, didn't I? That looks very good. Now we do the other ear. Whee! That's so good. It's great having bigger kids that can do it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got it on, sorry. Put it on left. Yes, no data it says. Sorry, I don't want to pull your hair. You have to point it down the ear canal. The ear canal goes into their head. Very good. So we just have a quick look inside. So what we have to do is we have to grab your ear a little bit so that we can straighten the ear canal and we can see down it. Because when you pull the ear, it straightens the ear canal. And then you can see maybe the eardrum. So I'm just looking down the ear canal at the moment. And I can just see the edge of the eardrum. I can't see the whole eardrum. Can you see the light? That's the light reflex. That's the incus and the malleus behind the eardrum that you can see reflecting the light. They're the little bones inside the ear.
Oh, gonna move little bit, right?
Yeah,
Ah, I
yeah, really
see.
good.
Thank you, Tina.
Okay. Can
Other
we have
side,
a look
look.
in the other side? No. She's really good and still. There's not many patients that you could do this with and get people to look. Okay. Sorry. I don't want to hurt her ear. Oh, there we go.
Oh, yeah.
So that's the light reflex. Very good ears. Excellent.
Ah,
Nice and
that's
clean
good.
too.
อย่าลืมกดไลค์ กดแชร์ แล้วก็ subscribe ด้วยนะครับ บ๊ายบาย